met too many niggas that let me down. I used to have love for that nigga, no love right now. You acting like we don't know you. Expose you like I don't told you. Expose you.
Hi babies. I am serving quarantine looks. I went and got this wig from the depths of my wig collection. I decided, you know what, since we're all stuck at home, might as well bust out some looks, you know. So today I'm gonna try and do something that I don't really do. I'm gonna do an unconventional thin black brow. I literally haven't done this before, so it's gonna be a learning experience. Let me pull up my inspo pic. This is my inspo, if you guys can see. Very just thin, nice large arch, and then, you know, lots of blush, just very weird vibes. I think I should start with my base and put lots of base on my eyebrows so that the black will show. For my foundation today, I'm going in with the Clinique. Of course, I didn't bring any brushes out here with me. I'm literally wearing heels in my house because I miss the feeling of wearing heels. What is quarantine doing to me? Please don't judge my edges. I literally could not be asked. Okay guys, so yesterday I tried to make puff puff. I had worked a 12-hour shift, came back, actually 12-hour shift, was thinking about yeast the whole time I was at work. Like, where am I gonna get yeast from? Called like 6 different grocery stores to get yeast. Went and bought my yeast, bought sugar, came home, did my puff puff mix, waited for it to rise for an hour, and that bitch had the audacity to not turn out how it was supposed to. Look at how flat it came. This is how flat my puff puff came out. Nice round balls. Nope. Nope. Like big dog. I actually took the biggest L after so much suffering. Guys, I didn't even watch a video on how to do the thin brows before this. So I'm like, do I conceal my brows and powder them or no? So I'm just tapping like a lot of foundation on my brows. Let's conceal these bags. I've not been sleeping. I actually haven't been sleeping. Every night before I go to like a particular patient's house, I swear I can never fall asleep. Once, I was going to this patient's house and I fell asleep at 11:30. I woke up at 1:30 a.m. and then I couldn't sleep till 5 a.m. Tell me what my brain was doing for 4 hours in the middle of the night. What was she doing the most? That's actually what she was doing. Now that we have my first base, we're gonna go to conceal my under eye. Maple Too Faced for this way. Well, I'm gonna conceal both my brows and my under eye. Actually, you know what's gonna make this work? I can pull my wig up so there's not so much in my eyebrows. There we go. Very specifically to where I want to be super bright, so like right there and right there. So while that dries a little bit, I'm gonna take some concealer on my beauty blender, my eyebrows, and I'm gonna pat it into my eyebrows. Pat, 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 pat. And then take some of my powder, my Laura Mercier, pat it on top. It's doing a really shit job of concealing, actually. But let's keep going. Actually, if there are any experts in the comments, can you guys please let me know? This side is working. Ooh, okay. Now we're talking. Set my eyebrow. Okay, so far so good. So I got a few tools for my brows. I got a black liner that's completely empty. I got a black liquid liner that's also almost empty. And then I got a brown liner that's a pencil to help me outline my brows. As you can see, we're running out of everything. And I can't go to Sephora. I feel like after this, I'm going to have a big shopping spree. Should I go on the upper part of my brow? Let's just go in the middle. So I'm following the actual shape of my brows. Let's follow the top part of my brow. Let's actually just, why not? Hey, hey, that's one. All the way down, and then I'm gonna go on the top of my brow. But I actually just took this liquid eyeliner that's black and I put that over my brows, and that's actually the key that we needed. That was the key. That was actually the key. I'm gonna take this really small brush, the Super Shock Shadow in black. I decided that this is a Nollywood makeup tutorial. That's on Period Love. So you take that on your brows and you just press them in. This side. Don't blend out your brows. You need this to be harsh as hell. One thing I also did while the camera stopped filming was apply a brighter under eye powder. So I applied banana powder. I'm feeling pretty satisfied with my brows. I think we can move on to eyes. So for my lip, I'm going to start off with this brown pencil. I'm going to overline a little bit. I never overline my lips. The inspo picture had overlining. The key is we want the liner to be black, so I'm going to take this again, the same shadow, and then go over everywhere I just put my liner. I'm losing light and it just probably looks wildly different now. Put on lots of blush, this much orange blush. Put it on my nose as well. Cute. This gloss has a glitter if there's any left. You know, I just realized I have black lipstick. I could have used that instead of stressing my head. Hey, let me go get my Fenty black lipstick. To create an ultra fine tip, I'm gonna take my liquid liner, dip it on the, just right there. Started to look cute. Feeling like freaking girl of my dreams. This is my Nollywood tutorials. I hope you enjoyed it. It was an experiment for me. I hope you guys learn one or two things.
I met too many niggas don't let me down. I used to have love for that nigga, no love right now. You acting like we don't know you. Expose you like I don't told you. Expose you.